Hey weekend na kan omna te anya anwam rau lutuk a cute cup mai a chunga hianin mamawh zong zong kim ve back box ya he ta campfire kit te wood te an lo da sa thlap boka chuan he lama tang hianin hei khum chong hi ina om boka tui lum te a om vek boka ni geyser te ang khang om boka hei tihan hei helama hianin keini kan oma khilam ke bin khi ka uten oma han no pang hawin an adventure an nei an nuam an ti ve khop mai hei pona hianin thing te an rema oh hey kan tlange hello Braden Blake hey zan ina kan ria na tur hi kan hu lo kang cheu hey kan lut cha hey hi ai in pum ani chu tiny house in te an tiang khan ya khi a chung lama hian bunk bed a oma hello hey Blakey anwam in tiem oh hey lama hian Braden a oma Braden
oh hi
hello anwam em
oh nuam latak
oh khoge kan om na hi enge ming Virginia
postcard
oh cabina nuam khop mai fridge te so han hong lok te fridge kha a cute ro lutuk cute lutuk John stove po oh hey oh mamawh zong zong chu om ve ve kan ni hi tro si chuan bathroom kha han hong lok la chuan he lama hianin hey bathroom a om boka full bathroom hey heta hianin toilet a oma he lama shower a oma nuam khop mai ate a mahse engkim a om nuam lutuk tro hey Braden a hi tun lai hi Mizo tong hi thiam le zwalin ka sia izira mi izir le na sa
Klenta kazir
inui na zir tir le zwal che tiro hey Mizo tong a tong dal hi atuma lo Mizo ram zin huna phei chuan hi ni thiam ngotang izin ya chiang tawin no pangan chuaka kan ranga helai hianin table dining table anga oma thutna pahnih helama hiana oma chuan helai hianin bench ang hi oma helama po thut theia step angin a serve boka dar te hi oma bunk bed style in helai tukvera oma helai tukver bekani a chuanin hey helama po hianin tukver te oma hei hi in chung lambang pet om dan heta hian bung ruwa tlem da na a om boka chuan so ta chuanin so light lamp ang dawin pahnih a om bawk ani hei ti hian chuan an khum hi queen bed ani a mattress po hi dup nuam khop mai fan AC henga hianin bungbel te chem te ei mamawh chu om veka sink hnuaiah hianin dustbin a oma chuan hei fridge kha ania helai pawh hi pantry dahna a oma a te sia a kim ve vek sia a cute khop mai.
So today, as I celebrate my birthday, my heart is filled with gratitude and reflection because I've reached the same stage of life my mother was in when she left this world. And it has deeply shifted how I see time, faith, and purpose. Life is short and every day is truly a gift. When my mom passed, I was lost. There were moments I felt God didn't care, when life felt unbearably heavy, and at the end of the tunnel was nowhere in sight. But now I know this truth with clarity, and it makes sense that God never left me, not even for a second. He carried me through the hardest seasons when the world felt like it had turned its back on me. And one of my mom's wall painting is in our house. It says, God has a plan for me, and that's all I need to know. And I think those words mean even more to me, because all we need is faith. Years ago, I would have never imagined this life, living, blessed with such a beautiful family. And I'm so grateful for everyone present here, and so grateful for you guys, and thankful to God for leading me through another year. And thank you for coming.
We're thankful too. Thankful to God for creating you. Otherwise, Braden and Blake won't be here. Yeah. And may God bless you with many, many more.
Thank you.
So you turned 24? 34.
Plus
She's
10.
older than me now.
Another year of life, and thank you so much that Mom, she can continue to do good in the world, and just as she always tries to make her mother proud, and that she's always comparing her age to her mother. Thank you that my mom is always looking out for others and being kind. And dear Jesus, please help give her many more years to come so that she can keep giving. In Jesus' name, pray, amen.
Amen. Hey, kanom na bol na ya cho kan pa. Aya. Neo mi hi burger ra aya. Atuyem wait de. Toilet to Blake ka hi.
Tweet up.
Tui to pa ni cho. Okay. Aba tui ve Braden hi tui. Atuyem. Ha? Hey, đó là hiện salad đó là tui em.
Very good.
Very good at the hay po tui ni he. Ba ai si sel big ve
Chicken taco salad.
chicken taco salad. Si sel lutok. Kelvin na hian enge ai ani po si sel lutok hey. Da salad chawa ai. Ai si sel thei khop mai.
Eating only salad these days.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to